Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. Let's launch the app first. Then click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the upper right where you see the gear icon. When you're at settings and privacy, I want you to click on the Meta account center. Then when you're at Meta account center, you want to scroll down to the accounts setting. And then you want to click on personal details. When you're at personal details, you want to scroll down and click on account ownership and control. When you're over here, you could simply click the second option, which will allow you to delete or deactivate your account. Be very mindful that if you want to download your data prior deleting your account, you want to make sure that you request your information in advance. This means that you need to get your information prior you schedule your account for deletion. Facebook needs time to process your data, collects the data, and sends you the data. So they don't have it on hand. So you have to request the data, download the data, and then if you still want to delete your account, you click delete account. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.